Hello, creative friends. I'm back with another DIY project. In this video, I'll show you how I transferred this dresser in something unique. If you are new for my channel, my name is Rahel from Conjo Creations. This is your first time being here, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I bought this dresser on Marketplace and I noticed, as you can see, there is a water damage on the side of the dresser. I have to fix before I start working on it. The top need a good sanding. I also need to do some repair on the drawer. Rather than that, the dresser is in a good shape. I'm gonna leave all the products, materials and tools I use for this project in the description. I start by removing the hardwares and I'm gonna save them for later. I also remove the old veneer that was loose on the side of the dresser. I usually not clean the furniture before I sand it, but this dresser has a greasy feeling on the top, so I have to use a degreaser and hot water to clean the inside and the outside. Once I'm done with the cleaning, I start removing the varnish from the top because I want the natural finished on the top and painted on the bottom. I use the chemical stripper first. I clean it with the mineral spirit, and once that's done, I start sanding by 80 grades sandpaper, and I go all the way 320 to have a smooth surface. I also give a light sand for all the drawers except the three middle drawers. For the middle drawers, I sanded all the way to have a natural finish. For the side of the dresser, I applied Bando so that way I'll have a smoother side when I apply my design later. Once the Bando is dry, I sand it smooth and I light sand the rest of the dresser. Once I'm done with all the sanding, I cleaned all the dust. I use water and vinegar. Once the sanding and the cleaning is over, I start staining the top. I like to use my tan wash technique. For the tan wash, I use 85% water and 15% tan paint and mix it together. I brush it out on the surface and I wipe off the excess. If you are a beginner, I would suggest to work on a small area so that way your paint is not gonna dry so quick. But don't worry, if you are mess it up, you can have a wet clothes and wipe it off and start all over again. I also did the same technique for the middle three drawers. You can use any type of paint, but I use double latte by Bear. I can leave the name in the description. The next step is to add a design on the side of the dresser that has damage on it. For that, I use a board that I bought from Home Depot. I will leave the link in the description. And I cut it in size. I use a wood glue and nail to attach it to the side of the dresser. Once that's done, I apply 2 coats of primer. I use a bench lac primer. I let that dry for a couple of hours and I paint 2 coats of paint. I light sand the top and the middle three drawers, and I apply 2 coats of general finished high performance top coat. Once that's done, I clean my hardwares. I boil them on vinegar and water for 20 minutes. I clean them very well and I reuse them. Finally, I use the decor I have around the house and my furniture is ready for a picture. What do you think of this makeover? Would love to hear from you in the comment below. I hope this video inspire you to create your own refinished furniture. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting on my channel. You can support my channel by getting the like button and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share this video with someone you might think they will enjoy it. If you have any comments or question or things you would like me to do in the future, please leave me a comment below. Until next time, be creative, be kind.